How good is your Spanish? Let's test it. This is a 50 Spanish words challenge. You'll see the word in English and choose the correct answer in Spanish. Let's see how many you really know. Let's begin. How do you say key?
Llave.
How do you say phone?
Teléfono.
How do you say bed?
Cama.
How do you say bathroom?
Baño.
How do you say kitchen?
Cocina.
How do you say shower?
Ducha.
How do you say mirror?
Espejo.
How do you say light?
Luz.
How do you say fan?
Ventilador.
How do you say television?
Televisión.
How do you say computer?
Computadora.
How do you say internet?
Internet.
How do you say password?
Contraseña.
How do you say screen?
Pantalla.
How do you say battery?
Batería.
How do you say charger?
Cargador.
How do you say message?
Mensaje.
How do you say call?
Llamada.
How do you say video?
Video.
How do you say photo?
Foto.
How do you say water?
Agua.
How do you say coffee?
Café.
How do you say bread?
Pan.
How do you say food?
Comida.
How do you say breakfast?
Desayuno.
How do you say store?
Tienda.
How do you say restaurant?
Restaurante.
How do you say hospital?
Hospital.
How do you say office?
Oficina.
How do you say work?
Trabajo.
How do you say sleep?
Dormir.
How do you say eat?
Comer.
How do you say drink?
Beber.
How do you say drive?
Conducir.
How do you say money?
Dinero.
How do you say price?
Precio.
How do you say time?
Tiempo.
How do you say hour?
Hora.
How do you say minute?
Minuto.
How do you say open?
Abierto.
How do you say closed?
Cerrado.
How do you say full?
Lleno.
How do you say empty?
Vacío.
How do you say clean?
Limpio.
How do you say yes?
Sí.
How do you say no?
No.
How do you say please?
Por favor.
How do you say thank you?
Gracias.
How do you say sorry?
Perdón.
Thanks. How do you say wallet?
Cartera.
Thanks for watching the video. Remember to subscribe and keep learning with us. Comment if you were able to complete them all. See you in the next video.